for a fantastic weekend. Decision trees are made of simple parts. At the top is the root node. It represents the main question. Each branch from the root is a possible answer. These branches lead to internal nodes. These nodes represent more choices. Finally, we have leaf nodes. These are the final outcomes. They tell us what to do based on our decisions made. How do decision trees actually learn? They learn from data. But it's not just any data. It's structured and organized information that helps the tree make informed decisions. We feed them information about past decisions and their results. This historical data acts as a guide, showing the tree what outcomes were achieved from specific choices. Imagine teaching a computer to predict if someone will like a movie. It's like giving it a crystal ball, but instead of magic, it uses data. We give it data about people's age, favorite genres, and past movie ratings. This information helps the decision tree understand the preferences and patterns of different individuals. The decision tree uses this data to find patterns. It analyzes the relationships between different variables to make predictions. It figures out which factors are most important in predicting movie preferences. By identifying key elements, the tree can make accurate recommendations, helping users discover movies they'll love. Decision trees are popular in many fields. They are a versatile tool that can be applied to a wide range of problems, making them invaluable in various industries. From healthcare to finance and even marketing, decision trees provide a structured way to analyze data and make informed decisions. Why? Because they're easy to understand and use. Their visual nature allows even those without a technical background to grasp complex concepts quickly. This accessibility makes them a favorite among professionals who need to communicate their findings clearly and effectively. One key advantage is their interpretability. Unlike some other models, decision trees provide a clear and straightforward path from input to output. This transparency is crucial when the results need to be explained to stakeholders or used in critical decision-making processes. We can clearly see how the tree makes decisions. Each branch represents a possible outcome, and each leaf node represents a decision or classification. This step-by-step breakdown helps in understanding the logic behind the decisions, making it easier to identify any potential issues or biases. This helps us trust the results. When we can see the reasoning behind a decision, we are more likely to have confidence in its accuracy and reliability. This trust is essential, especially in